Hello everybody and welcome to NEET Mentor. In this video we will talk about Karnataka State 50% state quota last year 2020 closing rank and expected cutoff for 2021 out of 800 score. In order to get admission into government college, you have two ways. All India quota, that counseling gets conducted by MCC, or private or a state 50% quota. So we'll talk about all these things in this video. We will also talk about other factors which you need to take care and keep in mind. Before that, you can subscribe to the channel. If you are new, you can hit the like button, and in the description we have given the links for multiple ebooks for deemed university, DNB, and all the open state last year cutoff, tuition fee and everything. So you can download those ebooks. In the description we have given the telegram group where candidates from multiple states are present and you can talk to them. Okay, so that will be useful for your all the counseling process and your preparation. So let's get started with this video. Two things: last year Karnataka 50% state quota cutoff rank, which is important, and how it's going to change this year. So I will give the information. And out of 800, how much score you need to have in order to claim a government seat for particular branch in Karnataka state through all India through 50% state quota. The counseling gets conducted by KEA. And when we talk about radio branch, last year cutoff was 1621 rank, and this year if you are expecting to get a seat in radio through Kia state government quota, then you need to have a score out of 800 up to 590 to 600. This is the minimum score you need to have, and you need to target 25 marks extra, so that if you slip off, you fall and come to the level of just 590 to 600. So which all the marks that I given expected cutoff, you add 25 marks more on top of that, and you set that as target. 625 should be the target when you are going for the examination and your preparation for radio branch in Karnataka state counseling. For dermatology, last year the closing rank was 2436, and you should score between 580 to 590 in order to get the branch. General medicine, the last year cutoff was 3609, and this year you need to have a score between 570 to 580 in order to get general medicine through Karnataka state quota counseling. For pediatrics, last year cutoff was 4212, and this time you need to have a score between 570 to 580 in order to get this branch. For orthopedics, the cutoff for last year 2020 was 6435. This year you need to score between 550 to 560 and set the target plus 25 marks to get ortho through Kia state counseling. General surgery, the last year cutoff was 8738, and this year you need to have a score between 530 to 540 to get this branch. One more point I want to mention here: for Karnataka state counseling, only those candidates who have done their MBBS from Karnataka private colleges are eligible to participate into Karnataka NEET PG 2021 state counseling. Even if you are from Karnataka but have done MBBS from some other state like Maharashtra or UP, still you are not able to participate. You won't be eligible for Karnataka state government counseling process. For general surgery, the last year cutoff was 8738 rank, and this time you need to have a score between 530 to 540 in order to get this branch. Obs Gynae, last year cutoff was 6940 rank, and this year you need to have a score between 540 to 550 in order to get this branch. For ENT, the cutoff was 18814, and this time you need to have a score between 500 to 510 and set the target plus 25 marks. Ophthalmology, last year cutoff for Karnataka government colleges was 15,186. This year you need to have a score between 520 to 530. So these expected cutoff score out of 800 is as per all the expert doctors and the coaching institutions, and based on their marks, based on their experience and our experience, we have calculated. If you happen to have little bit of plus minus, then you should consider it, because this is the first time. Last year 1200 marks were there, and this year 800 marks. There is changing pattern of the question also, exam pattern change is also there, so you can see there might be little bit of here and there. For ophthalmology, last year cutoff was 15,186, and this year you can expect it to get between 520 to 530. For anesthesia, the cutoff for last year was 16,974, and this year you can get this branch if you score between 500 to 510. Psychiatry, last year the cutoff was 23,024 for Karnataka state, and if you score between 490 to 500, then you can get a government seat in Karnataka state through the counseling process. So in order to get clinical branch, you need to have a score at least 490, so 500 in round figure, and you set the target 525. At least 525 marks you need to have if you are going for state counseling, KIA state counseling, and want to get clinical branch. Okay, that will keep you on safer side. Some here and there still can happen, because nobody can tell you exact, because there is a change in the marks and change in exam pattern. Okay, so that's it from my side in this video. We will keep on posting the similar kind of videos for other states, so that the candidate from other states can know their target score in order to get the government seat. Okay, so if you are looking for any other state, you can browse the channel. You will find the video for similar states, similar video for other states. Okay, so thanks for watching and have a nice day. Goodbye, take care.